Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna go to Dollarama and get some slime supplies. I already have the glue, but I don't have activator, so I'm just gonna get the activator and we'll see if I'm gonna get shaving cream because I already have shaving gel, and if you put shaving gel in a container and mix it up, it's gonna get fluffy, but not fluffy as I want it to be. So yeah, I'll be there. This is my first vlog, so yeah, it's day 3. It's day 3 and or day, I don't know. Also, when I upload it, I might not be able to upload it today, but I'm taking the video today because I'm going today. And I won't be talking a lot in the store because it's just weird. I'm holding a camera talking, and I'm going to hold it like this. Yeah. So, I'm going right now. It's -28, so it's really cool. I have to get all warm and comfy. See you guys in the car. But, like, there's nobody in the car, so see you guys at Dollarama. And this is the glue I have. I already used it. It's only less than halfway. So let's go. I'm outside. Do you see any light? Okay, let's go. I'm outside. So I'm apparently in the car. Yeah. There's no light. Good thing Dollarama's close to our house. So we're at Dollarama.
پیاده کردیم.
I don't know if we're allowed to film this. What am I doing here? Oh, we need toothpaste. I think we got that one. But when we get close to this, they're so pretty. So pretty. I think that's good. And this. That's the kind that I see everybody get. Really? How much is that? Wait, no, how much is that?
Half price of this one.
So one.
That one is 250. That one is 150.
But 150 and 250, does it really matter? It's smaller, so. So we got, I think we're getting this kind. I'll go look at the laundries. Wherever they are. Inja? Do they even have laundry here? I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Oh, where's it? That's it. They don't have time. They don't have any of the Famous kind of like activators. I'm really sad. At least I got that shaving cream over my hair. Get some shaving.
Contact